How old are you? What's your name? How old are you? What's your name? Hi, Hades. Hey. Hi, Hades. Hi.
哦，谢谢。
现在 Hades 正在美丽的深山里吃着他最爱的玉米。玉米，啊 ，yummy， 好吃。小河，小河，小河，不错。你看，小姨在干嘛？哇！啊，小河。
你离远瞅，你看，我这个角度，
伸个头，瞅啥呢？嗨，嗨，嗨，Go，
是皮蛋吗？
皮蛋狗狗。
好，下一首是吧？
今天是爬山日，爬山。哦，他要下地，他要爬。他说我也要爬，我也要爬。走。哎，没事儿，在这儿让他看看风景。我小妹儿呢？那么快？哇！人生第一次走桥。抬头，看后面，看后面不敢回头。哎，手抓我抓老紧了。哦，他说这个地方我可没走。慢慢走。你看我抓的体验一下吗？哦，对。还有一只被踩扁的螳螂。啊，好可怜。走吧，上台阶，可能上去吗？能上啊。走吧，走吧。啊。那要啥呀？
你要啥呀？啊，要手。
啊，要你拉着，那么可爱。
你看小鹿，看。
这儿呢。
我看背上的树叶呢。
啊，他说走，他想要。这样显得腿长。啊，他笑了。是吗？嗯。好玩不？好玩不？耶！啊！我来照他。啊，小何。他肯定不想，他就说这抱着视野多好。嗨，
拉手了，拉小姨手，不要拉了，
不拉了。嗨，还挺有镜头感。地上有大象。哦，真的各种小动物是不是？这个是豹。哎。 小河，小河，小河。
手啊，我手怕你摔呀，拉手。他觉得自己很安全的时候，他就不想拉手。
对，他就觉得有危险才找人。
但是我瞅你这么还吓人呢，栽冷的。
蘑菇，
人都没有人啊，这里头。
蘑菇，看蘑菇，
我很会拍
蘑
照
菇
的。，
嗯，
抱。
抱抱抱。我们在爬山，爬山。付迪今天当力工。哎呀，好棒啊！哇！我们在过桥，过桥。你说过桥？爬山，花花，花花，哎，太硬了，揪不下来，好多花花，花花，走呀！
哈迪西，
黑迪，
黑迪斯啊，
嗨，
你是黑迪斯啊
走？呀！
55。
嗨，
坐会儿吧。
登山吃饼干。
咱没票要上的。
是马票呢。走走走，出发了！
出发，坐车。嘿迪斯，专注的吃饼干。瓶子，kiss 小姨 on the cheek， 头发挡住了、
头发挡住
，kiss 小姨 on the cheek。啊！说 Charles，
我想到了那个蒋欣在哪里
Charles，
？Charles。
Charles， 来
Dirty, the floor is dirty. Hi, Hades. Hello, Hades. 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 She just perfectly dodged the camera. Kiss mommy on the cheek.
kiss mommy on the cheek, Hades。
Yay!
she said 拉手 ，Did you hear?
Oh, yeah.
Go, go, go. This hand, this hand. Oh, this hand. She wants this hand.
So you have to walk
like this.
backwards. Uh-oh. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Hi. How old are you? How old are you?
She's like, I'm not answering this question again. You know how old I am. Wait. Hello? Hello?
Hades, how old are you? Refuse to reply. Ah.
目前模 模仿我们的是中环的华润，但是他做的也不是说这么，就是有点不伦不类的这种感觉。对，我们是手的。那凭华润在沈阳的这个。
小鱼，小鱼。This， 嘿 This， 小鱼，哎你好。嘿 This。
Yeah, no problem.
提升还是侧面提升，就是南向那个窗户。如果说你要是边户的话，不是三面都有窗户，你是想都做这种升降窗，还就是南向带面的一个升降窗，因为价格不一样，大概得差出来2-3万块钱呢。
Hello, Hades. Hi.
Hades is not drinking.
Hades is not drinking, but she's trying to.
She's just licking. And I eat like this.
Very useful. You have to go lower, otherwise you can't see.
Hi. Hi, Hades.
Let's angle.
Yay.
Right? Is it for cousin? For your cousin? For your cousin?
Oh no. Kiss mommy on the cheek. Ah no. She doesn't want to.
Okay.
New toy. Hello, Hades. Are you happy?
So many things. Let me open it for you. No, I need like something sharp. Wow. Yeah.
Yay! So happy. Wow! Happy.
What is it? Okay, I'll open it for you. A pen? A pen?
Open.
A pen. Yeah. Whee! A pen? Uh-oh.
Yeah, immediately. The
Right.
red egg.
I told ya.
gosh, she's building it.
Oh, good job. Okay, let me help you out. Let's see how it's done. Oh. Oh, can't see. There's a little happy bird. Is it an owl? I have to do it super fast or my boss will be upset. Or if you add some more on top. Actually, I would do this. Like turn it into like this tiny
tree.
Yeah. But put it in the middle. Hold on. I mean Lego. Look. Whip.
Tree house.
Tree house. Tree house. Yeah. Hades. Tweet, 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 tweet. 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 Tweet, tweet. Tweet. Here's another egg. Ooh.
Ooh.
Almost. Here, Hades. This looks like a missile.
What's that?
Like something to like a rocket that you shoot to bomb people. Yeah. Bomb. Listen. Listen. Oh, yeah. Where is it? Listen. Oh. No.
Baby. Are you ready? Yes. Baby.
看盘。Hello， 你在哪里啊？外面还是里面啊？
还有。
那个，这套柜子是有的。
对。
冰箱也是。
没有，这些都是正常的柜子，就是它里边的构造。
好玩吗？
这个放到好地方。
嘿，玩吧。Hades 在睡觉。
你过来导数据看啊，我也不玩这个。害怕，给你导丢了。马上。
对，爸爸妈妈拍拖时间。Hello. Yay! Where are we? We don't know where we are. 哦，谢谢你。哦，谢谢。
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hello, Hades.
大家可以发挥盘了就可以说。
谢谢你。
Tomato. Orange. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Rectangle. Circle. Square. Diamond. Triangle. Heart. Rectangle. Very good. Almost. Good job. Is he behind the door? No. A bear is here. And the bear is eating honey. Honey. Is he in the piano? No, a hippo is here. Is he in the wardrobe? No, the monkey's here and the monkey is eating banana. Is he under the bed? Oh. Is he in the box? No, penguins are here. Where's your penguin? Where's your penguin? Where's your penguin? Oh, this is your penguin. Good job. Stack it up. Good job. Stack it up. Stack it up, Hades. Stack it up. Good job. Is behind the door, and the bear is eating honey. You also want to eat it? Okay, let's see. Is he inside the clock? No! A snake is inside the clock. Is he in the piano? No! A hippo is in the piano. Carrot. Carrot. Carrot is so sweet. I love carrots. Yummy, yummy, yummy. More? My God. You love carrots. Roar like a lion. Ow. Ow. Show off the muscles on your arms. Show off the muscles on your arms. Meow like a cat. Meow. Meow. Point to your cheeks. Good job. Hades, Hades, run in place. Run in place. Good job.
大家都会说在那儿。
And then?
And then so I would pick the person and come out and point it at. And then the button disappeared again. It's not on anymore. Where is it? It's outside on the door. Like I don't tell them.
Candy. 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 Candy.
Where can he be? Where can he be? Is he behind the door? No! It's a bear. Bear. All right. Okay. Is he inside the clock? Notes. It's a snake. Is he in the piano? No. It's a hippopotamus. Hip Hop Anonymous. Okay. Is he under the stairs? No. It's a lion. That looks like a bum. Okay. Is he in the wardrobe? Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah. No, it's a monkey eating banana. Eating bananas. Bananas, yeah. All right. Oh, you like a monkey, yeah? All right. Now, is he under the bed? What? No, it's a crocodile that will eat you up. Eat you up. Okay. Is he in the box? No. It's a penguin. There you go. There's a penguin. There's a penguin. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I believe I can touch the floor. I'm joking. It's supposed to be something about an open door. Anyway. So now, there's Spot. He's under the rug. Do you want to open it and see what's under the rug? What's under the rug? What's under the rug? Almost. Try the basket. Why? Because it's a tortoise. It's a tortoise. Row! Row! What's in here? What's in here? What's in here, Hades? Hades, what's in here? Row! Oh, it's a puppy. It's a puppy. Dog. Dog. Okay. Good boy, Spot. Eat up your dinner. Nom, 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 nom. Good job. The end.
Go get the dog. Hades. Hades. My name is Hades. 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 Closer. Hades. 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 My name is Hades. Hades. Daddy. Hades. Hades. Daddy. Hades. Daddy. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Meow like a cat. Meow. 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 Wee, 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 wee. Oh, wee. Oh, wee. 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 Wow. What did you make for her? What did you make for her?
A swing house car. A swing house car with a let me explain. There's where the bird lives. Here's where the penguin plays. And actually the dog lives here. Which he can also drive the entire car. And then they can travel together while having fun. Of course, there is a safety issue, and it is not going according to the country's, traffic regulations and road safety. However, because it's such a fun ride, people tend to just ignore it. Oh. This is where it parks.
Smell your feet, Hades. Hades. Your big face.
The big fat face.
How old are you? What's your name?
Hades.
Wow! Are you ready? Hades. Stand up. Stand up. What are you doing?给他吓得后退几步，太逗了。
和姐姐一起看手。
谁打喷嚏呢？阿秋。
有点多高。
姐姐。Long a time, Cinderella lived with her mean stepmother and 2 stepsisters. They made her to do all the chores. With her mean stepmother and 2 stepsisters, they made her to do all the chores. One day, all the girls from the kingdom were invited to the royal ball, but Cinderella's stepmother didn't allow her to go. A fairy godmother used magic to give Cinderella the most beautiful dress and carriage. But the spell would only last until midnight. All evening, in her haste to be home before midnight, Cinderella left behind her glass slipper. The prince asked all the girls to try on the slipper. Luckily, it only fitted Cinderella. The prince was happy to have found her again. Yay! The end.
往里边传线一边滚，
啊，
往里边变老款小孩。
老款小孩。
老款小朋友。
我给你整啊，整高高的。
哎，大福。
最大。大。
给姐姐喝一口，给姐喝一口行不？
给姐姐喝一口。
看的好认真。
姐姐喝一口不？给姐。
人吓你那大嗓门。
和姐姐唠嗑。哎呀，
抱啊！
没事儿，没事儿。
他还说法呢。
哎，
看着弟弟骑小车。是啊。骑车，弟弟骑车，弟弟在骑车。
你下地吗？好，要下地。
背书包，背书包。
也得背点书啊，背两本书，这是大福的书。
上学啦，背书包啦，拜拜，
上学了。
拜拜，上学去吧。背书包。
太大了，
你得买去皮去核的。
你看成那样了，这种的刚手里了。
啊。
大枣。哎呀，好可爱呀！
这个配这个裙子还挺好看的。
高楼。
哎，嗨！你说嗨！
小鞋好看。
你说嗨！
喜欢你穿哪个？
嗯。
哎呀，小弟弟，
大福，Hades。
挺小福。我做秋千会有失重感的，好神奇！哇，我知道为什么没有，怎么才能没有失重感了？就是你一直看着天没有参照物的时候，你就不知道它有多快。
这是给小孩做的，有点卡屁股。
那个坐那个海盗船失重感强烈，是不是相当于坐一个巨型大秋千？
啊，对。
是吧？
伯父。
这楼下呢，俺在滑梯这嘎的。
坐车了，坐车了。
他又自己走了。
自己走了。
啊，又要拉了。
又要拉了。
走走走。
走吧，走吧。
走走走。
抬头。
不是他自己松开，好像是断掉。
真的太厉害了！拉手，拉手，拉小姨手。
抱抱。
橘子。
别看长得绿，可甜可甜的。
橘子。橘子。
这杨小彤的，看长得好看不？
哎，这个像个柚子。
啊，真的这行。
一个。
给那小朋友送一个去，去给那小朋友。来，不吃。
陪小鱼训练呢，那么可爱呢。我说你在干啥呢？有点好笑。
完了，我想每天都跟。
太可爱了。
等下周6就见呢。
Blueberry. Blueberry. Hades, can you kiss Teddy Bear? So cute. Do you like your teddy bear? You're so cute. Piece of chocolate cake. 1 ice cream cone. 1 pickle. What's this? Pie. Good job. What's this? What's this? Sausage. Good job. Are you trying to make the teddy bear sleep?